What place value is the digit 6 in 8,476,123? Well, just for fun, let's go over all the place values for each digit, and then we'll have our answer at the end. So going from right to left, 3 is in the ones place value. 2 is in the tens place value. 1 is in the hundreds place value. 6 is in the thousands place value. So let me just quick write that out. 6 is in the thousands place value, and that's what we're supposed to answer. 7 is in the 10,000s place value. 4 is in the 100,000s place value. And 8 is in the millions place value. They wanted the 6. The 6 is in the thousands, so thousands is going to be our answer.